Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video. And this is like a typical unboxing, maybe not so much, but at the same time it is a little bit, but because it's just me buying a lot of random stuff every day online, although scrolling through online pages every single day, it can be boring and sometimes you don't even know what you're getting at. But it's something that I noticed every promo now and then for since like 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. And this Huawei T10 here has been going on sales for 499 ringgit, and it got me really curious. How is it? And also I decided to get myself one, but I got it for around 530, which includes some other accessories like tempered glass and also a case. But other than that, I am actually quite happy with it, and this arrived not long ago. And I know that I remember that it's supposed to have some wrapping on it, but because I think I asked the seller to actually install the tempered glass for me, so I don't have to install it on my own. But I think overall, let's get to the unboxing then. Let's open this up. It's a cool tab here. And it started raining, which is really bad. And now that it is like this, and there's something for you to pull from here as well. Oops. Okay, I'm just gonna put the tablet aside, since there's only one color options, and I'm just gonna pick that deep sea blue options. And see rejector pin. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, see rejector pin. I guess it's not. This is only the Wi-Fi version, and I don't think there's actual SIM option there. And also cables in here, and some warranty cards and other accessories, some paperwork, warranty card, and I guess this is a guide, quick start guide, and this is a USB-C cable. And this is from this box itself. It has a SIM rejector pin, user guide, warranty card, and also the USB-C cable. I'm gonna put that aside. And there's one more left over here, which is the charging brick. Other than that, it's just purely empty. And the charging brick is actually quite small. Let's have a look. And this is a 5-watt charging brick? A 5-watt charging brick? I'm gonna verify that in the text, but it's a 5-watt charging brick, which is really surprising for a tablet like this. I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and remember to like and subscribe if you want to know more about the T10. And if you have any question about the T10, feel free to drop me a comment down below. I'll try to answer them, and if not, I'll answer that in my review videos if you guys prefer that. So anyhow, thank you guys very much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure to hit the thumbs up button as well. And this is Mark here, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!